Hi, travelers. As your dedicated travel advisor, I'm here to guide you through the essential steps of travel planning, making sure every aspect of your trip is accounted for and stress free. Start by securing your main travel components, such as flights, accommodations, and transportation at your destination. Early bookings can help avoid price hikes and sold out signs. Next up, packing. Make a list based on the climate of your destination and activities planned. Don't forget essentials like medication, chargers, travel adapters, and of course, your passport. Travel insurance is always something that you must have. It is your safety net, covering everything from medical emergencies to trip cancellations. Being prepared can save you a lot of hassle and heartache. Keep copies of your important documents like your ID, insurance information, and itinerary, both printed and digital. They're crucial in unexpected situations. Keep copies of your important documents like your ID, insurance information. Spend some time researching local customs, necessary vaccinations, and visa requirements. It's not just respectful, it's also a smart travel practice. Why is this checklist important? Because traveling should be about excitement, not stress. This checklist helps ensure you are prepared for anything, allowing you to focus on enjoying your adventure. And if you need help crafting the perfect travel plan, I'm here to help. From choosing the right insurance to finding unique local experiences, my travel advisor services are designed to ensure your trip is seamless and memorable. So, are you ready to travel smart? Use the checklist and start your journey on the right foot. And if you need tailored advice, reach out. Let's make your next adventure your best one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you on the road.